YETI made a lot of good cups and they are all insulated. The material are the same. They're all stainless steel and BPA free and dishwasher safe. So which one to choose? Now I pick up the 3 most popular YETI cups. Let's see which one suits you. So this is the biggest one, 30 ounce, and I think this is for big guy or you want to go out and have a full day supply, no matter coffee or other stuff. If you're stay at home for a long time or you're just in your office, I think this mug is for you. It's easy to grab and the size is great. It's not going to be too heavy and so easy to use and looking good. Just put it on the table. You look at it, it feels good. I like this one on my table all the time. And if you're like always going out, like go to the gym and you go for dinner and you just go for a walk, I think this is the one for you. It's not too heavy. It's most versatile. You can use at home, at work, go out, anywhere. Just take this. You see the size? The size is so good. I think this 3 cup fits most of the people. Just depends on what you do, where you need them. Alright, I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching.